after many years, they've started to give us problems, like farmers. So they cannot even go to the farm alone. They spoil our farms, everything. If you eventually ask the Fulanis to pay damages to the farmers, they also refuse. We are not ready to fight them, but they are not always ready to cooperate with us.
When these Bororo people come, they bring a lot of problems to the farmers. They were killing us, kidnapping us, and do everything which is very, very harmful. What will we do than to tell our Kabiyesi, but this Kabiyesi we send to Seriki Fulani, Kadiri Soliudeen. They will not do anything to it. They will say they will collect money from the Fulani who destroyed their farm, but nothing of that is, they will not take to the advice at all. And we, in the community, we say we will donate for the law enforcement agencies. If we donate, the law enforcement agencies will not do anything pertaining to that. And if we catch one herdsman and take them to the police post, they will not take anything like action to it. If they arrest that person, in the second day, very early on the second day, if we go there, we will not find him in the custody again. And this problem is too much. They are troubling us too much.